Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see under file handling. Okay, under file handling, that is Python OS and os.path modules. Okay, so let's see what actually does it means. Okay, so Python OS and os.path modules. Okay, so OS modules generally what do work with the directories, file and system command. Okay, you know the directories. Suppose folder. Okay, I'm going to go into this any folder, C app log. So this one is your directory. Before that, this one is your directory folder. Okay, now when you are going inside that directory, this one is your path. Okay, this one is called your path to reach this product. Okay, now and inside that you can see these are the files. Okay, again here these are the directories. Okay, so no file is here, this directory is empty. So when we are going to work with directories, file or system command, okay, we use the OS modules. Okay, for example, I want to see, okay, return the current working directory. What is my current working directory? I want to know. Okay, so we will use the os get cwd. Okay, this method. See, os dot cwd. Okay, get the current, w means working directory, in which directory currently I am working. Okay, so using these two modules, okay, we can interact with the operating systems. Okay, the Python OS and OS path modules are two important modules to interact with operating system. Okay, the first modules, the OS modules. Inside audio OS modules we are going to see various functions. Okay, so first one is os dot get cwd. Okay, so what it do, it return us the current working directory. Suppose I am going to open my IDE and I want to know in which directory currently I am working. Okay, so what I will be do, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to import OS first. Okay, now I'm going to see in which directory currently I'm working. Okay, and so let's see, print os dot get for current C, for working W, and for directory D. Okay, it will return me the current working directory. I'm going to save it and I will run this one. See, this is the my current working directory. Okay, this is the my current working directory. Suppose I am going to go into that directory. Okay, Control V. See, this is my current working directory. Okay, where I am creating file and saving my files. Okay, so this is how we can check our current working directory. Next is OS list directory path. List all files and folder in the given directory. I want to see or list all the files or folder in a given directory. Okay, so I will use this method. Okay, now what I am going to do, Okay, so I will need to list the past part here. Okay, suppose I am going to this directory, new folder, these are the my files. Okay, so I want to see that what are the, let me paste it here, control V. Okay, now check it's work or not. Okay, this, just a moment, right, list all directories. So what I have to do here, I think we will need to check the path double quote. Okay, now save this one, now run this one. Yeah, you see, you generally know or list directory. Okay, list directory, os.list directory is generally used to list all files and folder in a given directory. Okay, I want to check in new software folder. Okay, see, you go here into which drive, D drive. Okay, and come here, see, in D drive I am going to, okay, D drive new software. Okay, D drive new software. Inside that new software, these are the folders and files. Check whether it is get listed or not. Here you see. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox. If we are going to maximize this one, see, Microsoft Office, everything is listed here. Oracle VirtualBox, NC exe file is there, exe file, this one. Okay, so this how we can, using the list directory, we can list the all the files and folder present in a subdirectory. Okay, now OSCH directory path. Okay, now I am going to change the current working directory. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to change the current working directory. Okay, so for that I am going to use os.chdir. Okay, suppose you know that print, okay, print os dot get current working directory. Okay, then I am used to, okay, os dot change directory to path this one. Okay, change directory to this directory. Okay, now then again I will going to print that one. Okay, let's check whether it work or not. Run this one, see, this one has been got current working directory. Then again this one what do, it's change the directory to new. Okay, then here I have printed the current directory. Okay, so now the my current working directory will be, since I have changed, it got changed to this directory. Okay, so like this we can change our current working directory. Okay, by os.getcwd using the command line. Okay, now next thing is os.mkdir path, create a single new directory. I want to create new directory to that path. Okay, now see, so what I have to do, yeah, this one was my new this one was previous directory where I want to create one more directory. Okay, let me do it here. os.mkdir, I want to write here path. I'm going to copy this path. Okay. So here I am going to make one more folder, new folder. Okay. Control X and 6 osb.mkdir. Okay, close, store into this, and I'm going to paste it here. Now print. No need of printing this one. This is going to already create one new folder. Okay, run, save. Now see whether a new folder is got created at that or not. New folder. See, new folder got created. Okay. So like this, we can create a new folder. Okay. Now next is mkdir. Now I am going to create multiple nested directory. Okay. Multiple nested directory inside another directory. So what I have to do, I have to use this one. Okay. This part mkdir. Okay. Now what, new folder, inside that folder 1, again I am going to create folder 2, then again I am going to create folder 3, means folder inside directory inside another. Okay, now run this one. See, now I am going to go there. See, this one is new folder. Okay, inside new folder, folder 1, again folder 2, again folder 3, means I have created one directory inside another directory inside another directory, create multiple nested directory. os.remove, delete a file. Okay, delete a file. So what I am going to do, I have to delete. Okay, I will use the remove keyword. Okay, now let me create one file inside here. Okay, here new file, new file, file 1, that is file.txt. Okay, now what I will do, I will remove this by using a command. Remove directory, control V, and inside new I have a file called file1. Okay, dot txt, file1 dot txt. Now save this one and run. What they are saying, file1 txt. Okay, file not found error. Let me check what, by which name I have created. File1 property, file1 dot txt. It's not in. Okay, it's inside a new software. Okay, control C and file1 dot txt. Yeah, I have given the wrong path actually. I have to, our file is in new software. Okay, now control S, now run this one. See, you will not find here any file now. Sorry, the file is got deleted or removed from the current working directory. Okay, next thing is our osrmdir, delete an empty folder. Okay, so delete an empty folder. Now what I am going to do, inside this folder I have this and this is my empty folder. Okay, so I am going to copy this path. Okay, let this one complete, since this is a empty folder, nothing is there. rmdir, remove directory. Okay, remove remdir and remove this directory. Okay, let me cross check me this one, or rmdir, sorry, not rem, rmdir. Okay, now run this one. What happened? Yeah, directory again. Byte in position 33 and character is kept. Okay, new folder rmdiros dot rmsdir here. Yeah, use kisi. Let open now. New folder, folder 1, folder 2, no folder 3. Okay, so our empty directory inside this is got removed. Now I want to delete all this. Okay, so what I have to do from here, so this is not empty, this is not empty na, in now this one is empty. Okay, because folder 2 contain no file. So run this. As you can see, enter. Okay, here only folder 1 is remaining. So this is how we can remove a empty directory by using rmdir, os.rmdir. Okay, now os.rename, old name, new name, we can rename the file or folder by using the this command. So this is how we can execute. Okay, now the videos are getting too longer today lectures, so I am going to stop it here. Similarly, os.path modules works specifically with the file path. Okay, now see, os.path join path 1 and path 2, combine two path correctly. Okay, if you want to combine this path and this, okay, so we can use the os.path.join. Okay, similarly, check whether the file or folder exists or not. It will return the, this method is going to return either true or false. Okay, check if the path is, check if the path is a file. Okay, so for this use this method. Okay, in next video we are going to cover this one, all these things, that the os path modules. Okay, for now please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.